Welcome to the future of agriculture. Here, every single apple is tracked by AI.
Precision starts at the source. AI sensors monitor ripeness and health in real time. Human touch is replaced by robotic grace. These machines ensure zero bruising. Efficiency is the heartbeat of our operation. Automation handles the heavy lifting. Electric transport fleets move thousands of tons daily with zero carbon footprint. Hygiene is non-negotiable. Our multi-stage wash uses ultrasonic bubbles for purity. Every fruit undergoes UV sterilization to ensure it is 100% pathogen-free. The AI eye sees what humans cannot. It scans for internal defects in milliseconds. Consistency is our promise. Only the perfect specimens move forward.
Protection meets aesthetics. We polish every apple to a world-class standard.
Sustainable branding. Laser technology eliminates the need for plastic stickers.
For our ready-to-eat range, precision cutting ensures perfect symmetry. Smart packaging is our final shield. We use 100% biodegradable materials.
Fresh Lock technology ensures that crunch remains from factory to table.
Scale meets precision. Our palletizing robots handle the output of 1,000 acres. We maintain a perfect climate-controlled environment to pause time itself. Our logistics network spans the globe. Freshness delivered anywhere in 24 hours.
The result of perfect engineering. Pure, crisp, fresh. The modern standard.
Data drives every decision. Our neural networks analyze every millimeter of the fruit. Harmony in motion. We process over 10,000 units per hour without a single collision. Versatility is key. Our modular robotics adapt to different apple varieties instantly.
Even the smallest particle of dust is removed using high-velocity air blade technology.
Weight precision to the milligram. Every pack we ship is guaranteed to be exact. Mechanical power meets surgical precision. The core is removed without wasting a single gram of fruit. Nothing goes to waste. Every byproduct is recycled into clean energy for the plant.
The calibration on sector gamma is fluctuating.
Rerouting the power flow now. Levels stabilizing.
Climate control is critical. We keep the air at a constant 4 degrees Celsius. Water transport is the gentlest way to move fruit at high speeds across the floor. Our natural sealants prevent oxidation, keeping slices white and crisp for weeks. Automated assembly lines build our custom sustainable packaging on demand. The warehouse is fully lights out. Robots navigate in total darkness using LiDAR. Human oversight remains. Our scientists perform hourly bricks and acidity tests. Speed, scale, and stability. The supply chain never stops moving. Secured for the journey. Our pallets are engineered to withstand global transit. A monument to modern manufacturing. This is where nature meets the future. The journey begins. Our automated docks are the gateway to the global market. Temperature integrity is paramount. We flash chill every container before departure. Power meets precision. Heavy lift robotics ensure rapid loading without risking the cargo. Zero shift technology. Every pallet is locked in place to survive the roughest ocean swells.
Massive scale, micromanaged. We move millions of units across the oceans every single month. For our ultra-premium markets, we utilize air bridge logistics for same-day delivery.
Real-time tracking. We know the exact location and temperature of every apple, anywhere on Earth. Intermodal transport ensures a lower carbon footprint while maintaining the cold chain.
Rerouting the shipment through the European corridor. Confirming delivery status for Madrid.
Sorting at the destination is just as fast. Precision continues until the final mile.
The final leg of the journey is handled by our autonomous electric fleet.
Innovation never stops. We are now testing direct-to-consumer drone deliveries.
Presentation is everything. Our apples arrive at the store as fresh as the moment they were picked.
Retaining moisture, retaining life. The crunch is preserved through engineering.
Smart packaging tells the consumer exactly when the fruit is at its nutritional peak.
Oh, wow, these look amazing.
Look how shiny this one is.
Fresh from the farm.
That signature crunch is the sound of a perfectly managed supply chain.
The cycle continues. As the sun sets, we prepare for tomorrow's harvest. Precision, purity, perfection. This is the new standard in food production. We measure the sugar content, the Brix level, to guarantee the perfect sweetness in every bite.
Every batch is tested for vitamin density and nutritional integrity.
Our scientists study cellular health to prevent natural decay without using harsh chemicals. The facility is powered by the sun. We generate more energy than we consume.
Predictive maintenance is handled by autonomous robots. We fix issues before they even occur.
Our cleaning systems are waterless. Dry ice blasting ensures medical-grade sanitization.
At the core is a quantum-ready processing hub, managing millions of data points every second.
Even our repairs are automated. The line never stops. The system is self-healing.
We recycle 98% of our water. Our closed-loop system defines industrial sustainability.
Electronic tongues detect flavor profiles to ensure every batch of juice is perfectly balanced. Aerial surveillance keeps the floor safe. We monitor every motor's heat signature 24/7. Waste is converted into biofuel pellets, powering the very trucks that deliver our fruit.
We are already growing the next generation of trees using advanced genomic selection.
On-demand manufacturing. We print our own packaging to reduce shipping waste.
Our energy storage systems ensure the factory runs smoothly, even during the darkest nights. Nutritional transparency. We guarantee the health benefits in every single unit.
While the world sleeps, the machines continue. Perfection is a 24-hour commitment.
Because in this industry, the smallest detail makes the biggest difference.
Nanofiltration at the molecular level ensures a juice that is crystal clear and incredibly pure.
For our snack range, we use advanced freeze drying to lock in flavor and 100% of the nutrients. Natural flavors only. Our seasoning process is handled by precision microdosing robots. Vacuum frying at low temperatures ensures a perfect crunch without the use of unhealthy oils. From bulk harvest to boutique luxury, we cater to every segment of the global market.
Even the seeds are valuable. We extract rare apple seed oil for the high-end cosmetic industry.
Zero imperfection. Every chip in the pack must be whole and perfectly shaped.
Precision coding. Every product is time-stamped for absolute consumer safety.
Large-scale fermentation controlled by AI. We achieve the same flavor profile, harvest after harvest.
Efficient, flexible packaging designed for the modern, on-the-go lifestyle.
We stress test our packaging to ensure it survives the most demanding shipping routes.
The aroma of the orchard, captured. We recover natural apple volatiles to enhance our juices.
Diverse products, one standard of excellence. Our inventory is managed by autonomous AI. Constant calibration. Our machines are trained to recognize the perfect balance of tartness and sweetness. Packed and ready. Nature's best, transformed by human ingenuity, heading to you. We aren't just feeding the world, we are protecting it. Our goal is a 100% regenerative footprint.
Slow cooked to perfection. Automated thermal controls maintain a constant temperature for 24 hours. From the world's best kitchens to your home, our standard of crispness is the global benchmark. We are investors in the future. For every tree harvested, 2 more are engineered for a better tomorrow.
Innovation is in our DNA. We are creating varieties that are more resilient, more flavorful, and more nutritious.
We finally made it!
Yes, we did. Look how beautiful it is.
Because perfection isn't just a goal, it's our obsession.
A perfect ecosystem where industry and ecology live in total harmony.
Beyond the surface, we analyze the molecular structure. Quality control is a science.
Beyond the whole fruit, we unlock the essence. Our cold press technology preserves every enzyme.
As a new day begins, our mission remains the same, redefining the boundary between nature and technology.